Kumsi benda jong jing yasno ketilang berkari India berokawai hak sengi Rakhe lengku sengi kha jong Dr. S. Radhakrishnan yagni sengi kerpang la Rakhe Maharam Government High Secondary School Auditorium Mokorwat Southwest Sales District yagni ke program la pedlong da ka office jong District School Education Officer Southwest Sales District Mokorwat hak ba uba ti langwa Deputy Commissioner jong Southwest Hills lalong kum kongsan harangkat ke jingdon lang uba SS Lengkoi Additional Sub-Divisional School Education Officer Southwest Hills District uba S Karpeteng Sub-Inspector of School uba GD Nongse Principal jong Maharam Government High Secondary School ki nonghikai ki khna school bat kiwei hagni kasngi layo ban pynkup burom ru ya kisanut ki bedai ki nonghikai bat ki Scout Master kata Shau Babu Pim Lanstar Tongni Headmaster jongka Nong Tenyau Deficit Upper Primary School Ubabu Crispin Walang Assistant Teacher jongka Presbyterian High Secondary School Molongwir Ubabu Ernest Marwin Head Teacher jongka Jakrem Government Lower Primary School Nangta Shau Babu Kenny Matthew Majau Assistant Teacher Batkum Scout Master jongka Nativity Higher Secondary School Mokrwan.
To you all, on behalf of all the awardees, I am here to say a few words on this occasion. I am honored to be here today and grateful to be a recipient of this award, the District Teacher Award 2023. I thank God for enabling us to celebrate this day. I extend my deepest gratitude to Madam S. Kasono, the DSEO, and the SDSEO in charge, the staff of both DSEO and SDSEO, and the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, and others, for recognizing and selecting us for this award. This award is a testament to the hard work and dedication that we have put into the teaching services for the last 3 decades. We hope that this award will encourage and hope that we will work harder and harder in the future. In conclusion, I would like to thank my family, my colleagues, the members of the managing committee for this constant support and help. And last but not least, my gratitude goes to my students, without whom this award would not be possible. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
The students, we all celebrate Teachers' Day in remembrance of Dr. Salvapari Radhakrishnan, who has shown his example of how to be a good teacher in the learning spirit. You know, teaching is God's gift. Not everybody can have the talent to teach. Only those who have the talent given by God can teach effectively to the students. Of course, now that various types of teacher training institutes have come up, and teachers are well equipped with pre-service training and in-service training, so they are able to cope with the situation, with approach, with methodology, how to make the students understand the topic that we are going to teach. But anyway, it requires a very big amount of patience, because you will come across different types of students, different types of boys and girls who are coming from different backgrounds. So you tend to lose your temper or you can lose your interest, but you being very patient personalities in the job, you are able to carry on your profession throughout your career. I wish I congratulate all the teachers of this district and this country. I congratulate them because of the effort they have made. They have produced so many stars, they have produced so many responsible citizens of the country, and without them, the country will be doomed. We will not be able to progress forward. So it is because of the teachers we are able to be as we are today, and we are enlightened, and we are learning, and then we got to face the challenges of this earth that we are living in. So, at the same time, I would request the teachers to keep up with this patience, and also to keep up with the effort that you have been doing. I know you have done well. I have no complaint against you. You have shown your good work in the people of this district. I am very thankful to all the teachers of this district, and I am also thankful to these awardees who have shown their examples to the world that even if they are the teachers, they can do many good things which any other person cannot do. So I will not speak much. I am very thankful to the organizers of this program and all who are involved in this program. I wish that you will continue your endeavor to encourage the teachers from time to time, and these type of awards will be given every year, so that the tempo of encouraging the teachers will be sustained and will continue from time to time. So with these few words, I thank you once again.